your girl Key. I'm back with another video. Today is, what's today? Today's Saturday, February 21st. Just about, but for the weekend, I don't have nothing planned for today. I have something planned for tomorrow. But before all that, I want you guys to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. And I appreciate you guys for coming back, watching my video. But I also want to let you guys know that today is the day that Key is gonna take her tree down. Yes, the tree is still up. It's February. Okay, who cares? I'm gonna take it down today, and you guys are gonna see that. Right now, I'm gonna eat my breakfast. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. Usually I don't get up this early, but I forgot to close my curtains, and it was mad light in there. So I have the blackout curtains. So if it's closed, I don't know it's morning time. But being that the curtains was open, the sun was up, my dude called me, so I'm up. So I'm gonna make me something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm finished. All right, later. Hey, I'm back. Made my breakfast. Made a turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese on whole wheat toast. Looks good, yummy. And the cheese I got is Kobe Jack cheese. Tastes better than the corner store. I'm gonna get my bins out the garage and bring it inside. So I can put all the Christmas stuff inside there. But first, I'm gonna wash the dishes and everything. Right now, I'm washing clothes too. So wash the dishes, then get the bins and bring it inside, and then I'll see you guys in a few. Later.
This part, you ain't gotta say a word. Just walk that, let's get burned. Then we'll roll up 100 fucking nuts. All up in my mouth, now all up in yo. This nigga got pounds of it, all up in his truck. Now we both look Asian. He waving and I'm drunk. I got dank shit in my cup. You know what I'ma do to you? I could give reviews to you. Slow, we X, and we sipping on that juice. That's just what she choose to do.
If I move too quick, that's true, I would think it's my affection.
every breath I'm sinking, and always it's tragic. I'm a riot, I wake up and I'm somehow beside you. Instead of beside you, this shit is surprise you. You don't even notice, don't need to remind you. Wish you could build me a cute apartment, one bedroom where your heart is. Each place feels broken hearted. Cross the bed feels way too far, and no one when they see just one, do they see us through?
Next year, I'm gonna spray paint this black. It's like a nude color. The skirt of the tree. Yeah, I'm gonna spray paint it black next year. When I ordered this color went with it very well, but I wanted to like match with the ornaments that I have. And if I spray paint it black, it'll go with everything. The worst part is done, finally. So I'm gonna put this inside the bag. This bag looks like a freaking body can go inside there. Look at that body, that bag, that tree bag. It looks just like a body could go in there. So I'm gonna drag this down. Excuse me. I'm gonna drag this downstairs and I'm gonna put these buckets in the garage. And that'll be it. And I'll just put the tablecloth, red tablecloth in my dining room in the bucket before I put it away. And I also have like my pillows and my blankets you see right there on the couch in the living room. I have my Christmas blanket and my Christmas pillows. So I will definitely see you guys when I'm done, because I have to vacuum this floor. Floor is crazy. It's the only downfall with having a frosted tree is all this frost and stuff all over the place. Other than that, I'll see you guys in a few. Later. I'm back. Finally cleaned up the tree. All the frost that was on the floor, on the carpet. I put my blanket, my Christmas blanket, my Christmas pillows away. I took the tablecloth off the dining room table. Basically everything Christmas is in the garage, with the exception of my garland that's outside of my door. I gotta take that off, but it's cold outside. I'm not ready to do that right now. So right now I'm about to make me some tuna fish. I'm gonna make me a tuna fish sandwich. It's like what, 12:20 right now. I'm gonna eat that. Here go my flowers that I had received for Valentine's Day. They're dying. They're still soft though, they're not hard, but it's time to throw these out. So I'm gonna throw these out and then I'm gonna make me a tuna fish sandwich. All right, see you guys later.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I just smoke already so hard in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faking, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But all of my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. I'm a dog, I'm a mother. Little crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 black on pants size to do, try to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it never feel the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said baby I'm a dog. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog. I'm a dog, I'm a body.
Alright. I'll see you guys when I guess when I head upstairs, because right now I'm about to chill, sit on the couch, watch some TV, and eat my tuna fish. Okay, I'm not going nowhere today. It's a chill day for me. I did what I needed to do. Other than that, that's it. See you guys later. Hey guys, in my room, in the bed. It's later on in the day. I'm just gonna call it a night, and I guess I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm doing a yoga with one of my homegirls, and yes, you guys will be there. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Hey guys, it's the next day. Today's Sunday. I'm supposed to be at my yoga class today, but they canceled it due to the snowstorm that's coming. I don't know why they do that. There's no snow right now. Why not just wait? Cancel the appointments after, when you see that there's snow coming. Like, they didn't even give us an email. Someone else went online to go try to book a class for today, and it said all the classes are canceled. When were you guys gonna give us an email letting us know that you're gonna cancel all the classes? Like, that's so dumb to me. But yeah, so I have no plans today. I'm just gonna, right now I just came down and eat some breakfast. I'm just gonna eat me an avocado toast with a fried egg on top, and maybe I'll drink me some iced coffee or hot coffee. Probably iced coffee. Iced coffee. I ain't have iced coffee in a while, and I'll catch back with you guys after I make my plate. All right, later. Bon appetit. I'm gonna bust this down. Just letting y'all know. So I'll see y'all in a few later. Now it's snowing. I'm over this. See why I want to leave New York so bad? Because it is. It's like non-stop. Like, stop already. Like, come on, we don't need no more snow. We get the point. It's winter. Okay. But this is what's going on. Okay. I'm back upstairs. I'm gonna fold some clothes that I have that's in a bag right now and put away. And tonight I'm gonna make some spaghetti meatballs for dinner. And that's about it. This weekend was boring as ever, but I was able to get things done, so I'm happy about that. And I guess I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, I'm back. About to make dinner. I'm gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. Use turkey meatballs from Trader Joe's. And then I'm gonna use this creamy tomato basil pasta sauce from Trader Joe's as well. It's very good. And I'm gonna switch out the regular spaghetti to the whole grain spaghetti. I had it before, it tastes good. And that's about it. And I'm gonna make a salad as well to go with it. I don't think I have any garlic bread, garlic toast, or nothing like that. So I'm gonna just do this with the salad on the side. All right. while the food is cooking. But I also want to show you guys the way the snow is looking already. It started at around 1:30ish. Look. Annoying. I'm so annoyed. But that's life of living in New York. So I'll catch you guys when I'm almost done with the dinner. As you see, I started with the meatballs. I turned the water on for the pasta. And that's about it. See you in a few.
Talking about is come and see me. Come and see me once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
This is what they say, do it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, atmosphere, big head, college park, barber home, coming smoking homegrown, choking on that homegrown, they out there selling cooking, they got the Dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, never got that fire. Round here we fight the sun. We keep it good and push it down. Getting crunk up in the club, we get down. All my ladies to the front. Handle it, let it, bag it up. Getting crunk up in the club, we get down. Ready, take a new whip, make strip into a bowling ball. Still smoke, money smoke, wood grain on the wall. Ice skate, big chicks, fellas call them red bone. Close cuts, braids long, gangsters, bottom on. They got their southern cooking, they got them fellas looking. Wishing I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this, never got that body like round here we ride slow. Keep it good, you should know. Getting crunk off in the
While that is doing what it's supposed to do, I will catch you guys later. I'm gonna go sit on my couch, sip on my wine again, and when the food is, when I'm ready to put the meatballs inside, I'll come pick you guys up.
Style get wild, old school coming down in a different color. Whip, picture perfect. You might want to take a flick. Call up Jazzy, tell him pop the bottle, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludacris on the track, get back, trick switch on the like I'm flexing steel. Same right every time, hot song dumped on, cause he ever got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Drunk battling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, kicks crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is cool.
round here we ride slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting crunk up in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies, bag it up. Getting crunk up in the club, we get
Unfortunately, guys, I have to get dressed and go outside in that snowstorm because I gotta get some gas for work tomorrow. My dude just asked me, he was like, "You got enough gas?" I was like, "I don't think I do. Let me check." I'm almost at 8. I'm just go up to get the gas up the block and come right back. Like, damn, I don't even feel like being out there right now. I guess I ain't got no choice, but I guess I'll catch you guys either in the car or on my way back in the house. All right, later. I'm back Thank God I didn't bring y'all with me. 'Cause I went out to get gas. And when I came back to come to my house, I was sliding. I'm like, oh my God, please don't let my car crash. But I was good. I was on my vehicle. You're able to put the tires on to the car on what's that different type of road you're driving on. So I put it on the snow, and I was able to drive slowly. But that snow out there is different right now. Ain't like the last time. So right now I'm gonna wind down. I already took my shower before I even went out. Hopefully I don't get sick. I'm gonna finish. I got another glass of wine. After that, I'm gonna call it a night. Go upstairs, brush my teeth, lay down, watch some TV. Right now it's 6:25. It's still early. I'm just stay up to digest my food. I might make some popcorn. Cause y'all know I love some popcorn. Popcorn is my thing. Pop my popcorn in a pot. Sit down and munch. I don't know, it depends on how I feel. But if I make the popcorn, I'll pick you guys back up. But other than that, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. About to brush my teeth. Get in the bed. Get ready for go to sleep to go to work tomorrow. Unfortunately, I gotta go to work. I just gotta drive slow. I bought me a new one, but I've been scraping out the old one I have. There's still more in there. Alrighty, I'm gonna go call it a night. I guess I'll catch you guys in the morning when I take my time going to work, because ain't no rush. I ain't trying to get no accident for my job. Not gonna happen, baby. Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. I'm up getting ready for work. It's nasty outside. But I'll see you guys later on, because it's crunch time right now. It's like 2 hours to get to work, and it normally don't be that long. So due to the weather, the storm that's outside. So I'll catch you guys in a few later. I tried to make it to work. I can't right now. My car is stuck in the driveway. So now I gotta wait until they shovel the snow outside in my gated community and go from there. I'm really stuck. I can't even. I tried to shovel, it wouldn't work. So I guess I'll see you guys when I hopefully get back on the road to go to work. Later.
But these bitches in my business call me ultra choosing violence.